this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Silent Night. It's in our best-selling and award-winning 21 Easy Ukulele Songs for Christmas book. Silent Night uses 3 chords. We use a C chord, a G7, and an F. Because it's in 3/4 time, I'm doing a strumming pattern like this. Down, down, up, down. When I sing the verse, I'm going to do what's called fingerpicking, and I'm going to do my outer 2 strings, out, out, with these 2 fingers, my thumb and my middle finger, out, out, and then with my thumb and index, I go in, to make my 3 beats. 1, 2, 3 per measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and. It's written out in the book, so you'll be able to figure it out. Have fun with it! Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon, where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.